this is what we've got left. I don't think we need to go shopping this week. So we've got some spread, some butter, some coffee you have to keep in the fridge. Just started block of cheese, better see to that. Some cooked chicken and cooked beef, which is mainly the dog has for her tablets. Jam and marmalade. Then we've got some shop bought pickles and chutneys in there. And then I think that's horseradish, tartar sauce and apple sauce. Some yogurts. Remains of a box of Cokes. Some mincemeat from the year dot that I was going to use. And some homemade chutneys. Here, a cucumber that my partner insisted on buying, which is now out of date, so we must go and use that up. And some tomatoes. Then we got some apples and a lemon there. Then in the door, got eggs and some suet that I must go and use up. There's an open bottle of oat milk. And we've got new tomato sauce. And there's tomato puree, garlic puree, Worcester sauce. We've got pesto mayo, is lovely. My partner doesn't love it, so we probably won't be buying that again. Normal mayo. I started, we only used up tomato sauce. A raspberry sauce, that's lovely. Don't know you can still get that. And I've just started milk. A water jug. In the freezer, we've got some ice cream, some berries. I think there's some ice pops, and then underneath somewhere there is some bananas. I must get make the old banana bread. We've still got the coffee nugget. I think there's some chicken pieces and some mince. We did use the meatballs up, they were nice. So we've got a 5-bird roast, that was from last Christmas. We've got some salmon in there, must have been used. And some prawns I ended up with. One lover's freezer of all things. Some mince. And we got lemon rosemary sausage rolls. I haven't tried those yet. Then we've still got red onion, what's it, goat's cheese lattice, spinach leek and cheddar lattice. They're quite handy for quick meals. Some chicken. These are nice. Those, whatever they are, I can never pronounce it. Parcels. I think there's one bit of cod left in there. And we've got in the veggie section, we've got some corn, spinach, peas, good half a bag of chips, and then again from my mother's freezer, onion rings. Okay, so we've got still nearly a whole bag of potatoes. I'll put it in there so it doesn't go all yucky. Still got a pasta bake, and these cheese straws, breadsticks, whatever you like to call them. Then we got a tin of chopped tomatoes, tin of baked beans, tin of chickpeas, 2 tins of tuna, and I've still got thought I'd use it all up, I haven't. Another unopened oat milk and 2 coconut milks, which I seem to like. I didn't really like the almond one. I have to give it another shot, another go, another time. Tin of mushroom soup and some cup of soups, again out of my mother's food that she decided she didn't want anymore. Some tomato cup of soups that my partner insisted on we had. Never been open, or I think we might have had one out of them and they're actually out of date. So Muggins here, I'll be drinking those. We got some Aldi squash here and a Tesco squash. Got some coffee, there's still some hot chocolate in there. Don't know what to do with that. Again, another one of my mother gave it me. I'm not too sure about that. I haven't tried it with just water. That's how it says to make up. I don't particularly like black coffee, because that's what it is, an instant coffee. These my partner keeps buying. Chocolate bars, and we've still got biscuits. In the cupboard we have still got pastas and rices, but I won't bother lifting that out. Where I've got a bread machine, that if anyone wants a little demo on that, I will do that. If you like it and leave a comment or whatever. We bought, me and my mum bought a bread machine each. Well, she bought me one for Christmas, and then she got these bread mixes. I've made one up, they're not too bad. You just add, what's it, water and butter, and then you have to have some milk powder. Where are we? Did have different bread mix, that was nice. I haven't tried this one yet. I should try that one, and then just some plain flour.